Then, if you want to include them in your story, you can transport them to the past by saying, I wish you could have been there. Or, can you imagine how I felt when? You're bringing the audience into your experience. When you transport them to the future, you are using a phrase that usually begins with imagine. Imagine. It is March the 8th, 2026. And as you're getting ready to go out for your speaking engagement, you realize it's the highest fee you've ever been paid. Your clothes cost more than you ever dreamed of spending. And as you reflect on what made this such a good day, you remember to March the 8th, 2025, when you attended the Thrive Conference.